Good morning, children. So now we are in which chapter? The first chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Nutrition in plants. So we have discussed about the different types of nutrition in plants and what is photosynthesis, what are autotrophs, what are heterotrophs. Is it? In plants also, some plants they can't prepare their own food. Okay. So those plants we can call as a heterotrophic plants. So we discussed last time about one plant. What is that one type of heterotrophic plant? Parasites. Is it? Parasites. So parasites are nothing but where it will grow? It will grow on another plant. So just like our parasites, small insects like lice and bedbug and our some hookworms, these all live in our body and take all our nutrients. The same way some plants also act like what? Parasites. It will grow on other plants and take all the nutrients from those plants and it will do damage for that plant. Such plants are called parasites. And there are two types of parasites. They are total parasites and partial parasites. Last class we didn't discuss this. Total parasites and partial parasites. From the term itself, total. What is the meaning of total? Complete. Okay. So it completely depends on what? The host for everything. It will be completely white and it will not be in green color and it will not prepare any food. And completely taking the nutrients from the host plant. Such parasites are called what is a total parasite. Last time we discussed about one nice name. What is that name? Cuscuta. Cuscuta. Is it Cuscuta or other name is Amaranth? So these both are one. So these plants are example for what? Total parasites. It's completely depend on the host plant. But some plants, they are little better than these plants. What they do? They just want to take shelter. And take some nutrients only. Okay. And other thing they will prepare from the from the sun, from the solar, by the photosynthesis. They will make their own food. But some nutrients they are taking from the host also. Such parasites are called what? Partial. Not fully, partial. Some, only partial. So such parasites are called what? Partial parasite. An example is mistillated. Okay. So next worksheet I will send all the pics of all these plants. Then you can identify these plants and you can search and you can find out more examples for parasitic plants and all other plants. And today we are going to discuss about another heterotrophic plants. This is very interesting and you will wonder, oh, these all are happening here. Like that very nice beautiful plants and they are called what? Insectivorous plants. We can't imagine plants will eat insects. Can you imagine plants can eat insects? Maybe you may heard in English movies and some other, is it? Some plants are catching some animals and eating the same way, but it is not like that. Some plants want extra nutrients. They can prepare their own food. Their leaves are green color and they have everything. But then also some nutrients are missing in the soil. Then they need to get more nutrients extra. For this extra nutrients, what they will do? They will catch the insects. They will catch the insects and digest the insects and they get the nutrients. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. So today we are going to discuss about few insectivorous plants. They are pitcher plant. The meaning of pitcher is what? The meaning of pitcher is small bowl. Pitcher. Pitcher is nothing but bowls. We will prepare food now. Like that bowls are called what? Pitcher. So pitcher plant is nothing but it is having some extra structure to take some insects or whatever. This is called what? Pitcher plants. The plant those are having pitchers called pitcher plant. And bladder what? From the name itself, it is having a bladder. Bladder. You know what is bladder? Bladder is nothing but like this one structure and you can fill it. Through this pipe you can fill that waste and we will pour. No, you will ask, now ma'am, I go to toilet. Say, so that is stocked in a sac-like structure that is called a bladder. The same like bladders are present in this plant. That's why it is called what? Bladder wort. Bladder wort. And next, Venus flytrap. The name itself, it will make a trap. The insects can't find out is there any trap. It just come and then just catch it. Oh, it will take the insects. So it is Venus flytrap. And sun dew. What is meant by dew? Dew means very fine water drops on the what is early morning you will find on the plants. No, that is called a dew. Very beautiful. Then water drops are called a dew. So this plant is also like water. It looks like some water drops are there on the leaf. It like water drops. So many hairs are there. That's why it is called what? Sundew. Sundew. So these are the example for some insectivorous plant. It can catch insects and it can make its own nutrients from these insects. I'll show you. See here. See, first I told you pitcher plant. And another name of pitcher plant is Nepenthes. Another name is Nepenthes. This pitcher plant, it is called a pitcher. It is like a bottle like, is it? It is like a bottle. And see, inside there will be digestive juice. Digestive juice will be inside and there is one trap, one lid is there. So, and there will be nice what like nectar, honey, like that sweet secretion will be there. So, insect will come attracted with this nectar, and when insect is get inside the pitcher, just to close the lid. Then the insect get trapped inside and it get digested and the nutrients are taken by who? The plants. It is the leaf modification. The leaf is changed into like a pitcher. Okay, so this plant is trapping insects using its pitcher. That's why it is called a pitcher plant. And next one is bladder. What I told now, bladder. See, this is the flower and leaves, and some leaves are changed into like bladder. See, so many bladders are there, and it is very small and it is aquatic plant. It is terrestrial. It can be on land, but it is in water. It is an aquatic plant. And see, through this bladder, see, while with the water current means current in water. No, water current means the water will be flowing. No, that time the water enter into this bladder. So there will be some insects in the water. These insects also trap inside the bladder. Then as soon as the insect get inside, it just close it and the insect get digested and it is utilized by this bladder wort, and it is an aquatic and it is the fastest trapping plant. Within second what it will do? It will trap the insects very fast, and it is very difficult to find out how it is trapping the insects. So bladder wort. Next, pitcher plant. Why pitcher plant? It is having a pitcher. Why bladder wort? It is having bladder like structures to catch insects. See, next one is Venus flytrap. See, Venus flytraps are like this. This also at the end of the leaf modification. See, it's like the structure will be like this. It can open and close. Open and close inside. So some insects when it go inside, it just close it. See, like here. The Venus flytraps like this. So it will be open like that. And when an insect get inside, just close it. And the insect get trapped inside and it is digested and utilized. So like that in Venus flytrap. Next is sundew. See, in this sundew also water plant. Okay, here sundew also what will happen? See, any insect or anything is stuck on these leaves. See here, like dew-like structures are there, like hair-like structures. So when any insect is sitting on here, just roll. See, if it is straight now, just roll on. Like this, roll, and the insect will trap inside it. See, like this, and it is digested and later it is utilized by this plant. So these are the examples for some insectivorous plants. Then you know, now you understood how these plants are Why they are trapping insects? To get some nutrients, especially nitrogen. To get the nitrogen. So they are getting nutrients by trapping insects, and then they are getting sufficient amount of nutrients for the growth. And next, so these are the, so now we will discuss two types. What are they? Parasitic plants, these plants which grow on other plants and take the nutrients, two types. And next is some insectivorous plants. These all are what type of plants? Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic. Here parasite is completely heterotrophic, partial parasite only half. Like that, this insectivorous plants also not completely white in color, not completely heterotrophic plants. These are both doing autotrophic and heterotrophic. It can synthesis its own what? Starch. It can prepare its glucose by photosynthesis. But at the same time, it will get extra nutrients by trapping insects. And next is see other type of some plants we can call as symbiotic plants. Symbiosis. Have you heard about symbiosis? I just tell you one thing. See, maybe you have seen the cow or buffaloes. Those who are wandering here and there, you can see some birds will be sitting on the buffalo, and buffalo will not do any harm. Buffalo just stand and let the bird to sit on its body. Why it is allowing the bird to sit on its body? What is the need? Yes, on the buffalo there will be so many small insects, parasites, so many will be there on the hairs. So what the birds are doing? Birds are taking all these insects and cleaning the body of that buffalo or cow. So it is doing a help to what? The buffalo or cow, and in return the bird is getting nice food. So both are getting benefited. The bird is getting food and that buffalo is getting relaxed from the insects. So mutual means both are getting benefited. Such a relationship is called a symbiosis. Symbiosis. You may have some friends. What they will do? They will ask you pen, pencil, everything. Okay. And when you are asking, can you give me one pen or pencil? Then what she or he will say? No, I don't have pencil or I don't have pen. Like that they will say. So is it mutual helping? No, is it? And you may want to go outside. You may call, hey Aruka, can you come with me? Then she will say, hey, no, I have some work. When she want to go, she will come with me, and she will take you. Is it? So such a relationship is not symbiosis. Symbiosis means both are getting benefited. Such a relationship is very deep friendship, and such a relationship we got symbiosis. Not only in our case, it is happening in the case of animals. I told one example. Another one is you may have seen in that National Geographic channel, the crocodile. Crocodile, you know, the crocodile will be kept the mouth wide open, and you can see some birds are sitting inside the mouth and cleaning the teeth of the crocodile. But the crocodile will not shut the mouth. It will keep it open only because here that bird is doing a help to the crocodile. So crocodile like it, and that's why crocodile also will not do any harm to that bird. So such relationship, symbiosis relationship. In the case of plants, now we have told about animals, but our chapter is nutrition about plants. So in the plants, the same relationship you can see, that is in the case of two plants, that are fungus and algae. Fungus, it is not a plant. Algae, that also comes under very low category, and algae can synthesize its own food. It is green in color, it can do photosynthesis, and it will prepare food. Everything this algae can do. But fungus, it can't prepare food. It is white in color, it wants to take nutrients from other. So in this relation, what happens? The fungus gives place to stay the algae. Okay, the fungus gives the place to stay in algae, and algae grow nicely and give all the nutrients to the fungus. So both are getting benefited. Algae need a place to grow, and that place is given by the fungus, and in return the algae give food to the don't have branches, it don't have any what is that? It's no stem, no leaf, nothing. It is just like a round. Like round, on that you can see fungus. Algae and fungus together combination. White and green color or some blackish color because of fungus. Okay. So such a combination is called what? Symbiosis and symbiotic plants. Symbiotic relationship. Okay. So these are only today's topic. So read the textbook also before answering worksheet. Whatever topic I have taken, read that part of the textbook and then go to answer the worksheet, and you will have some questions from the previous topics also. So read again the textbook nicely and do the worksheet. Thank you.